Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you a real-time example on how to store images on GoDaddy MyLittleAdmin of SQL Server. Right now, if you notice, the web page contains only the title, how to store save images in SQL Server MyLittleAdmin, and I'm in the local host. After designing and coding part, I will upload this web page on the real remote server of GoDaddy. Suppose if I copy this URL path, when I enter, oops, could not find the page, which means the file is missing. I have not uploaded the image save SQL Server database web page. Before designing and coding part, first we'll create a table on MyLittleAdmin of SQL Server. Let's go to GoDaddy MyLittleAdmin SQL Server. I just logged into MyLittleAdmin for SQL Server to create a table to store images in a database. Expand the user databases, my host and server. Now I want to create a table on my host and server user database. For that, go to Tools, click New Query. Before writing the query, always check the database is correct or not. Now I am creating a table to store images in the database. Create table dbo dot my images id int identity. It will create the auto identity. Will create a auto identity column, and also it's a primary key. Image name varchar 150 not null, and the image type, I want to store the images as binary, var binary max. Click submit. I'll go to databases, my host and server, click tables. Here it is, the my images, open table. This is a table dbo.myimages we have just created. Now the next step is, in ASP.NET we'll create a file upload control, we'll create a design, and we'll write a code for upload control to store images in my images table. Let's go to ASP.NET designing part. After creating a table on MyLittleAdmin of SQL Server, now we are in the source code of ASP.NET. In the designing part, I want to add three controls. One is file upload, second one is the button control, and the third one is a label control, which is little control I want to add. Enter. Toolbox, file upload control, now button control, and the last one is little control. I give this name as save. Button upload and little message MSG. Now I want to add the button control CSS class to CC button. Now build this project. We will check in the browser how the designing part looks. Fi run. Here it is, the output. It's a file upload control button. Now the designing part is finished. I'll go back to the Visual Studio again. Right click, view code, The first primary part in the coding is we need to import the namespaces using system.data, using system.data.sql client, using system.configuration, and using system.io. After adding the 4 namespaces, let's go to the design mode. We need a button click event. Double click the button. Here button click event is generated. Okay, now in the button click event, the code is string image path file save dot posted file dot file name string image name is equals to path dot get file name, and the parameter takes the image path. Stream fs file stream is equals to file save dot posted file dot input stream. Now binary reader br is equals to new binary reader, which takes a parameter of stream fs. Now byte added image byte is equals to br dot read bytes int 32 fs dot length. Now the next step is create a string str connection is equals to string main connection is equals to configuration manager dot connection strings dot connection string. Now SQL connection SQL con is equals to new SQL connection, which takes a parameter of main connection. A string s1 is equals to takes a parameter of insert statement here. We will write that within a second. SQL command is equals to SQL com is equals to new SQL command s1 SQL command dot connection is equals to SQL connection SQL con dot open SQL command dot parameters dot add with value SQL db type dot varchar dot value is equals to the image name SQL command dot parameters dot add with value SQL DB type dot binary dot value is equals to the image byte. Now SQL command dot execute non-query SQL connection dot close. After that, after closing the connection string, we need to give the message literal msc message dot text is equals to the image saved successfully. Okay. Now here is that one important point is I have not mentioned the connection string, and as well as the values also have not mentioned, and the insert statement. Now the connection string is, go to web.config file. Between the connection string is a my connection string is here. Copy this, paste here. The insert statement is insert into the table name dbo.myimages and the values are image name, paste here, and image type, please also copy over, paste here, values at image name, comma, at image type. This is the insert statement we have just written, and now add with values are image name and image type. See here, when we created the table, the image type data type is, we have mentioned binary, and image name is varchar. So make sure the data types are same when you mention here in the database. Here I will show you the tables also. My images details columns. So the image type is var binary and varchar. F6, build succeeded. Now it's time to upload this file into my GoDaddy remote server. I just opened the FileZilla FTP client to transfer my files from localhost to remote server. Connect. I just connected. This is local site and this is remote site. Hosting. HTTP docs. Blog, GoDaddy, these two files. Enter. I just copied these two files. Refresh. Now we will check in the browser. Okay, now the path is the blog godaddy.aspx page. Before showing 404 error, now the file has been uploaded on my remote server, so the page is working perfectly. Choose file, This is the file I want to save on my table. See here, the image saved successfully. Let's go and check in the table. This is a table. Refresh the page. Here it is. The image is saved in the binary format. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, please subscribe my channel. Catch you on my upcoming videos.